We'll guide you through how to use the new version of Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. You'll need to sign in with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the interface has been updated to make navigation easier. On the left sidebar, you'll find your main sections like Home, Files, Paper, and Shared. To upload a new file, click on the Upload button at the top right corner. You can choose to upload files or folders directly from your computer. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on the New Folder button, name it, and hit Enter. This helps keep your files organized. For sharing files, navigate to the file you want to share, click on the Share button next to it, and enter the email address of the person you want to share it with. You can adjust permissions to allow them to edit or just view the file. If you're collaborating on a document, use Dropbox Paper. Click on Paper from the sidebar and create or open an existing document. You can invite others to collaborate by clicking Share and entering their email. They can then edit the document in real time with you. For more detailed settings, click on your profile icon at the top right and go to Settings. Here you can manage your account preferences, notifications, and integrations with other apps. Remember, Dropbox syncs across all your devices, so any changes you make here will reflect on other devices too. This makes it super convenient if you're switching between your desktop and laptop. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.